sulit ang inyong money. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Arap na sa Grab and Bite!
Dahil na mo sa Grab and Bite, sinisigurado na ang customer are well treated.
Hindi din namin sila pinakabayaan when it comes to their concern.
Kailang.
Binigyan namin sila ng atensyon ang kanilang mga hinahin. And we valued your feedback kasi gusto namin mas maganda yung experience nila. Kamusta po yung
Damit.
Through continuous improvement, we aim to exceed their expectations.
Our dedication to excellence strive us to deliver top-notch service.
Sa bawat order, we make sure na ang quality ay hindi binabawasan.
Because for us, customer happiness is our ultimate goal.
Here at our company, we're totally against any form of discrimination.
Bakla or tomboy, rest assured that we don't play favoritism based on gender.
Every employees is valued and respected for their own abilities.
Sa company namin, we take pride, diversity, and uniqueness.
Equality is at the core of our culture and principles.
Our goal is to create a workplace na hindi lang nagbibigay ng chances, but also promotes respect and acceptance.
Kaya pare-pareho ang opportunities na maibibigay namin para sa growth at advancement.
We trust and value our employees regardless of their gender.
Sa Grab and Bites, we always attend to our employees' needs.
Sa Grab and Bites, we don't just give benefits, we also show appreciation for their dedication.
We prioritize the safety and welfare of our employees. If they're sick, we make sure not to let them work, but instead let them rest.
We make that everyone feels safe and valued.
Sa Grab and Bites, honest and diligent of employees is a must. Here at Grab and Bites, we ensure that every employee's achievements are acknowledged.
Sa Grab and Bites, we don't just serve good foods, we make sure that everyone feels welcome.
When our employees are sick, we give them ways to do. We ensure that they have a friendly environment para ma-enhance ang kanilang communication skills at ma-improve ang kanilang creativity at mabigyan sila ng opportunity for growth.